We are about to put oil in the Duramax, which means it's almost ready to crank. So stay tuned, and we're going to be cranking this Duramax in this video after we did head gaskets, ARP studs, and EGR delete. We'll see what happens. So we're going to do 3 gallons of Dexcool and then 3 gallons of distilled water. I bought 4 because it takes 6.4 gallons of coolant for the Duramax, so we'll just top it off with distilled water. A little bit more than Dexcool will be okay. So we're gonna fill it with coolant right now. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Sounds pretty smooth. I'm gonna back it out. We'll check for some leaks, but super stoked on this. It sounds nasty.